Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, you all missing our school. I know that. So, we too miss you. Let's start our session. In previous class, we had seen ordered pairs and Cartesian product. What is that Cartesian product? That is the set of all ordered pairs is called a Cartesian product. So for Cartesian product, we had seen for two sets and three sets. What is that two set? That is if any alphabet, that is A, we have a 1, 2 like that. B have a 3. So that is 2 set means we have a set and B set. Suppose if we have a 3 set means that is A set, B set and C set. Today we are entering into a new topic, that is relation. You know that word relation? Yes, because all the ones are related with someone. Because if you have a son or daughter means you have a related with mother and father. So likewise you have say the relationship. அவங்க ஃபேமிலியில் இருக்கிறவங்களோட ரிலேஷன்ஷிப்பை பற்றி சொல்கிறது தான் ரிலேஷன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவீங்க. இங்கே அப்படி கிடையாது. ரிலேஷன் அப்படிங்கும்போது we have to see day-to-day occurrence involves two objects. So ரெண்டு object if you have to connected with each other some rule correspondence. That is see one example, that is New Delhi is the capital of India. Here they are connected, that is related. How they related? New Delhi is related with India. So if you have say means what is that? Here relation, that is word R started as R. So it is denoted the symbol R. So here if you say means New Delhi, just the short form, that is New Delhi related with India. So here the pair is what? New Delhi, comma India. So this is one example. Likewise so many examples we have to see one by one by using the set. So now see the definition. Let A and B be any two non-empty set. What is that non-empty set? That means if you have a set, that is we have to have any elements in the set, that is non-empty set. If you have an empty set means that is what? A equal to null or without the element, that is called empty set. So here let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A relation R from A to B. இங்கே condition, this is a condition from 2. அந்த வேர்டை வந்து நம்ம நல்லா கவனித்து பார்க்கணும். ஸோ ஃப்ரம் ஏ டு பி அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க அப்படின்னா யூ ஹாவ் டு see the A set to B set. ஸோ a relation R from A to B is a subset of A cross B. What is that A cross B? A cross B, that is the Cartesian product. So if it is satisfying some specified condition. So here if it is a subset of Cartesian product means subset அப்படின்னா ஒன்றுமே கிடையாது. If it is equal to the Cartesian product or less than the Cartesian product, not more than that. So if we have means that is a subset. See that condition. If X belongs to A is related to Y belongs to B through R. So here X is, that is belongs to A set, Y is belongs to B set through relation R. Then we have to write that as X related with Y. So here the condition is what? X related Y if and only if X comma Y belongs to R. So some other definitions are there. So you know that. Now I recall the topic, that is domain, codomain and range. See that first domain. The domain of the relation R equal to set of X belongs to A such that X related Y for some Y belongs to B. Then codomain. The codomain of the relation R is B. Then last definition, that is range. The range of the relation R equal to set of y belongs to B such that x are related with y for some x belongs to A. Now we have see the definition. What are the conditions we have to use in the question? See, you know the arrow diagram. That is, if you have a set and B set. So in A set I have given 1, 2, 3, 4. For the B set I have given alphabets, that is A, B, C. Like that I have given. Here we have to relate it. A லேந்து B க்கு relate பண்றோம். So some other conditions they given the set of pairs, that is 1, A, 2, C and 3, B. If they given means you have to write the domain, codomain and range. So now see, 1 is 1, A. Here we have the pair 1, A. So 1 is related with A. Then 2, C. Then 3, B. So here we have the related. For the phone, 4 we didn't have a relation. So now we want to write the domain. So here see, I have given A to B. Relation is from A to B. If you have same means first one word A. So you have to A with B. So domain is here. What is that? A. So that set we have the related. What are the relations? 1, 2, 3. For the 4 we didn't have a relation. So we have to write the set of 1, 2, 3. That is the domain. Then codomain. Codomain is which one is related with whom? That is B set. So here we have the B set elements are A, B, C. Suppose here we have a D without any relation means you didn't write in the set. Then now we want to write the range. Which and all related with the set A to B. So here we have a. So which one is related with B? So here we have the B element. What are the elements are there? A, B, C. Because 1 ஓட relate ஆயிருக்கு A, B ங்கிறது 3 ஓட relate ஆயிருக்கு, C ங்கிறது 2 ஓட relate ஆயிருக்கு. So relate ஆனதை மட்டும் தான் எழுதணும். That is range. Suppose here we have a D element means without relation means we didn't write in the range. So here we have say some notation, that is what? Domain of R, that is subset of A. Likewise, codomain of R, that is B. And range R belongs subset of B. இதோட சப்செட்டாக தான் அந்த இது இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது. கோடொமைன்கிறது ஆரோட செட்டாக இருக்கும், அதாவது பியோட எலமெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Some notes are there. See, the first one is a relation may be represented algebraically either by the roster method or by the set builder method. Then second one is an arrow diagram is a visual representation of a relation. So each and ஒவ்வொரு நோட்டுமே we have to see in the 1 mark also. So study well. A relation which contains no element is called a null relation. Then last one is if n of A equal to P. N of A, that is cardinal number. Cardinal number of set A equal to P. Then n of B equal to Q. Then the total number of relations that exist from A to B is its one formula, that is 2 power PQ. That means 2 power P into Q. See the example 1.4. Let A equal to set of 3, 4, 7, 8 and B equal to set of 1, 7, 10. Which of the following sets are relation from A to B? Here they ask relation from A to B. So if we ask a relation means that is if it is having subset of A cross B. Suppose here we have a 3 relation, R1 relation, R2 relation, R3 relation. So here first of all you have to write the Cartesian product. ரிலேஷன்னு உங்கள்கிட்ட கேட்டாங்கனாவே, அதுவும் எதுலேருந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்கன்றத நல்லா பாருங்கள். A to B அப்படின்னு கேட்டாங்கன்னா you have to find Cartesian product for A cross B. Suppose relation from B to A அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க அப்படின்னா we want to find B cross A. So here the given set is A equal to set of 3, 4, 7, 8 and B equal to 1, 7, 10. So here we want to first of all find the Cartesian product. So A cross B. So A cross B, you know that is set of all ordered pairs. So here I have written in straight order. So first the set element is A. So you have to pair with the B set. So 3, 1, 3, 7, 3, 10. Then second element is 4, 1, 4, 7, 4, 10. Third element is 7, 7, 1, 7, 7, 7, 10. Last element is 8, 1, 8, 7, 8, 10. At last, close the set bracket. Now, see the first one. Here the first one is R1 relation. So, R1 relation, they given the set of pairs. So, that is first pair is 3, 7. 3, 7, that is in the A cross B. First of all, you have to check with the A cross B. ஒவ்வொரு பேரையுமே நீங்கள் செக் பண்ணணும். கார்ட்டீசியன் ப்ராடக்டோட அந்த பேரு அந்த A cross Bயில் இருக்குது, எல்லா பேருமே இருக்குது அப்படின்னா it is subset with A cross B and you have to say R1 is a relation from A to B அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடலாம். சப்போஸ் ஒரு பேர் இதில் இல்லை அப்படின்னாலுமே ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக it is not a relation. So 3, 7, here we have a 3, 7. Then 4, 7, here we have a 4, 7. 7, 10. So check with the A cross B. So here also we have a 7, 10. Then 8, 1. So that also here we have a. So 4 ordered pairs also that is in the A cross B. So here we have say R1 is subset of A cross B. So R1 is relation from A to B. That's all for the first subdivision. Now second subdivision, that is R2. R2 equal to set of 3, 1, 4, 12. 3, 1 is here. 4, 12. Here we have a 4, 12. No. So you have to write what? 4, 12. That is belongs to R2. That is R2 set la irukku. But 4, 12 doesn't belongs to A cross B. So R2 is not a relation from A to B. Likewise, third subdivision. Here we have a 3, 7, 4, 10, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 11, 8, 7, 8, 10. That is R3 relation. 3, 7 is here. 4, 10 is here. 7, 7 also here. 7, 8 is not here. Here we have a 8, 7. Already I have said the pair of element you must don't exchange the elements. அந்த பேரை அப்படியே தான் எடுக்கணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் எலமெண்ட் என்னவா இருக்கோ அதை தான் எடுக்கணும், செகண்ட் உள்ளது செகண்டாக தான் எடுக்கணும். மாற்றி இன்டர்சேஞ்சில் நம்ம சொல்லிடக்கூடாது. ஸோ பேருங்கும் போது அந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஆர்டரில் இருந்தால் தான் அது ஆர்டர்ட் பேர். ஸோ 7, 8 is not in the A cross B. So you no need to check the other elements. So here 7, 8 belongs to R3, but 7, 8 doesn't belongs to A cross B. So R3 is also not a relation from A to B.